Lucky Man by the Verve is a quintessential 1990s epic atmospheric strumming song. We're in 4/4, we're in the key of G. We have 5 open, very well-known chords, some of them extremely simple to play. The song has 2 main chord sequences, each with their own strumming pattern. I'll show you the foundations and then we can embellish and develop to sound like the recording. The chords today are G, D, D sus2, A sus2 and E minor. Starting with our main strumming pattern, the first chord sequence is the intro, the verses and the choruses. It's the majority of the song. The foundations of this, the first bar plays G, and that's down, 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 up. We move on to a D chord, down, up, down. On the next up, we take the middle finger off to play a D sus2. Then we take all of our fingers off to play up, up. Down, up, down, up, up, up. We move on to an A sus2, down, 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 up, down, up, and then a second bar of A sus2, up, down, up, down, up. Counting this through at the same speed, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and what we're going to do is use that last 4 and to change the chord shapes. So on the G, down, 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 up, change to the D chord. We're already off the strings there, and for A sus2, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, and then take the fingers off as we change back to the G chord again. So playing this sequence round, 3, 4. We can build on the complexity here. We have the foundational aspect of the strumming pattern. What we're going to do is now develop it by adding the accents. So on the G chord, the accent's on beat 3. So soft, soft, more pressure, soft. When we change to the D, the ups pop a little bit more, there's a bit more snap to the ups. On the third bar with the A sus2, the accent is on beat 3 again, and on beat 4 and as we continue into the second bar of A sus2, the accent is on beat 2 and 4 and. So playing that whole sequence round complete with accents. That chord sequence is the extended intro, the verse and the choruses. So we have that with the first line of the verse so you can hear how that goes. Playing that a couple of times round at speed. pre-chorus strumming pattern now. Bringing in the E minor chord, we have 2 bars per chord now, and the strumming pattern's slightly different, but it repeats for each chord. So we have E minor, down, 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 up, down, down. Move on to G, down, 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 up, down, down. To D, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Counting that through a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We again have accents. All of these are on beat 3. Structure-wise, we have the intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, instrumental, and then verse, chords to fade. I will play through the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus so you can hear how these strumming patterns work together. In this lesson we learn an acoustic version of Creep by Radiohead. I'll see you next time.